Hello, in front of me I've got Toyota Prius. In this video I'll show you location of the fuse box. As every hybrid car, Toyota has plenty of locations with the fuse boxes. I'll show you the most important ones. Let's take a look under the steering wheel. The first fuse box you can find is located right here under this cover. We'll have to unscrew it and take this cover out. The second fuse box has a little simpler access because we have to take out this white cover. See? Now we've got more fuse boxes right here in the central panel. But now let's take a look on the engine compartment. Probably the most important fuse box is located right here. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.